So when you go on multiplying with 4 to the next term, you will get the 9th term as 131072. The quadratic equation and applying this as A, B, C values. So we will get the value of R as minus 3 by 4 or 4 by 3. Let me take Q square. So Q square means A R power 7 whole square. This is nothing but A square A power 14. Hello everyone, a warm welcome to one and all. This is your Shruti ma'am lecturing in Vidhyaashram, the Temple of Excellence, Mysuru. So here in this session, we'll be studying few problems on the geometric progression and the geometric series. So what is the nth term of a geometric progression? It is given by an is equal to a r to the power n minus 1, where a is the first term and r is the common ratio between the two terms in a GP. What is the sum of series? That is a geometric progression. Sum of n terms of GP is given by Sn is equal to a into r power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1 if r is greater than 1. Otherwise, we will write it as 1 minus r power n divided by r minus 1. So, these are the two basic things you must know while solving the problems. The first question here, which term of the GP 2, 8, 32 form up to n terms in 131072. So, the sum of the GP is given. So, which term of the GP? So, they have given the first term as 2. Common ratio is get by dividing the previous successive terms. So, that is 8 divided by 2, you will get it as 4. So, you can see this is 2 4s are 8, 8 4s are 32 like that. So, up to n terms in 131072. So, the last term is given, that is an. An is given as 131072. So, this is the nth term given. We have to find out the place of this term. So, nth place. So, we have an is equal to 131072. We know that an is equal to a r to the power n minus 1 is equal to 131072. Clearly, a is given as 2, r is 4, 4 to the power n minus 1, 131072. So, 4 to the power n minus 1 is equal to, when you divide this by 2, you will get the value as 65536. Now, express the 65536 in terms of power 4. So, you will get 4 to the power n minus 1 is equal to 4 to the power 8. Since the base are equal, powers can be equated. So, this implies n minus 1 is equal to 8. So, therefore, n is equal to 9. So, therefore, this is the 9th term. Therefore, 131072 is the 9th term of the GP. 9th term of given GP. So, when you go on multiplying with 4 to the next term, you will get the 9th term as 131072. Next one, find the sum of first n terms and the sum of first 5 terms of the geometric series. So, how we will express the sum of n terms? The sum of n terms is given by Sn is equal to a to the power r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. Suppose sum of first 5 terms are given. So, it is given by S5 is equal to a to the power r power 5 minus 1 divided by r minus 1. So, like this we are going to find out the sum of 5 terms or 10 terms like that. Let's take an example now. Consider the geometric series 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, etc. like this. So, I have taken a geometric series. Let's find out a and r here. So, what is a here? The very first term is 1 by 2. The second term is 1 by 4. R you will get as 1 by 4 divided by 1 by 2. So, which you will get it as 1 by 2 only. Clearly, R is less than 1. So, the formula should be changed as S5 is equal to A 1 minus r to the power 5 divided by 1 minus r, because r is less than 1. Now we can find the sum of the first 5 terms here. So the first term A is 1 by 2 and here it is 1 minus 1 by 2 power 5 divided by 1 minus 1 by 2. So 1 minus 1 by 2 means half. So clearly the value here will get cancels. So this can be written as 2 power 5 minus 1 divided by 2 power 5. Or you can write this as 31 by 32. So this is the sum of the first 5 terms of the given series. Like this, you can find many geometric series as an example and you can use the formula either this or this by considering the value of r less than 1 or greater than 1. Next one is given. The sum of first 3 terms of GP is 13 by 2 and their product is minus 1. Find the common ratio and the term. So let me take the terms as, usually we take the first term as A and the next term as AR. I'll take the previous one, then it will be A by R. So because this is easy for the simplification. So let A by R, A and AR be the 3 terms. Now they have given the sum of first 3 terms of GP is 13 by 12 and their product is minus 1. So that is A by R plus A plus AR is equal to 13 by 12. Take this as equation 1 and product A by R into A into AR is equal to minus 1. So clearly here R get cancelled. A cube is equal to, I can write this as minus 1 whole cube. So this implies A is equal to minus 1. So substituting this in equation 1, here you can solve this equation first. We have A by R, A by R, so 13 by 12. We can take A outside. So we will get A 1 by R plus 1 plus R is equal to 13 by 12. Clearly A is minus 1 here. So if I substitute minus 1 here, then it is minus 1 by R plus 1 plus R is equal to 13 by 12. Now multiply R to this. So this will become minus of 1 plus R square is equal to 13 by 12. So we can cross multiply this. We will get this as minus 12R minus 12R square is equal to 13, or we can write this as 12R square plus 12R. So when all these shift to that side, this is 12R square plus 12R and 13 plus 12 becomes 25, which is equal to 0. So this is what we get, 12R square plus 12R plus 25 is equal to 0. So on solving this using a quadratic formula, we get R as R is equal to minus 3 by 4 or 4 by 3. So on solving using the quadratic equation and applying this as A, B, C values, so we will get the value of R as minus 3 by 4 or 4 by 3. Now we have got the terms as A by R, A and AR. Suppose R is equal to minus 3 by 4. If R is equal to minus 3 by 4, then the terms are A we have got it as minus 1 and here R we are taking it as minus 3 by 4. So minus 1 divided by minus 3 by 4 becomes 4 by 3, comma, A is minus 1 and next we have A into R, minus 1 into minus 3 by 4 becomes 3 by 4. So again if R is equal to 4 by 3, then the terms are, so we are taking A value as minus 1, R as 4 by 3, minus 1 by 4 by 3 becomes minus 3 by 4, comma, A value is minus 1. Next we have A into R, that is minus 1 into 4 by 3, which is minus 4 by 3. So these are the terms. So we have two cases for R. So based on R, we may get the terms as 4 by 3 minus 1 3 by 4 or minus 3 by 4 minus 1 minus 4 by 3. Find the sum of the sequence 7, 77, 777, 7777 up to n terms. Let me take the sum of this. I'll take this as Sn is equal to 7 plus 77 plus 7777 plus etc. up to n terms. Let me divide this throughout by 7. So Sn divided by 7, here it becomes 1 plus 11 plus 1 1 7 plus here I can write this as 7 7 7 7 plus, and here it is 1 1 1 1 plus etc. n terms. So multiplying 9 to this, I'll get 9 by 7 into Sn is equal to 9 plus 99 plus 999 plus 9999 plus etc. up to n terms. So I have here 9 by 7 Sn is equal to, this can be written as 10 minus 9 plus 100 minus 1 plus 1000 minus 1 plus 10,000 minus 1 plus until n terms. I can write this as 10 power 1 minus 1 plus 10 square minus 1 plus 10 cube minus 1 plus 10 power 4 minus 1 until n terms. I can again separate this as 10 power 1 plus 10 square plus 10 cube plus 10 power 4 until n terms. Similarly, if I take minus as a common factor, I have 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 until n terms. So now this is in the form of a geometric sequence. So therefore this can be written in the form of 10 into 10 power n minus 1 divided by 10 minus 1. And here 1 plus 1 plus 1 can be written as minus n. Now we have here 9 by 7 Sn. So let's shift here. So therefore Sn is equal to, so when you multiply this, it cross multiplies. So this becomes 7 by 9 into 10 into 10 power n minus 1 divided by 9 minus n. Or you can write this as, so when you multiply, this becomes 70 10 power n minus 1 divided by 9 9s are 81 minus 7 by 9 n. So this is the nth term of the given series. Next we have, find the 20th and nth terms of the GP 5 by 2, 5 by 4, 5 by 8. So we have nth term as an is equal to a r to the power n minus 1. So here a is equal to 5 by 2. How to calculate r? R is equal to 5 by 4 by 5 by 2 cancels. So this is equal to 1 by 2. So now let's calculate A20. A20 is equal to, A is 5 by 2, R is 1 by 2 to the power 20 minus 1 is 19. This can be written as 5 divided by, here we have 2 power 1, 2 power 19, 2 power 20. So this is the 20th term. So in general, an can be written as 5 into 1 by 2 to the power n minus 1. Here we have 5 by 2. So this can be written as 5 divided by 2 power n. So this is the nth term of the GP and this is the 20th term of the GP. The next question is given. Find the 12th term of a GP whose 8th term is 192 and common ratio is 2. So they have given R is equal to 2 and AN is equal to 192. So how AN can be written? A r to the power n minus 1 is equal to 192. We can write this as A8 minus 1. So which is r power 7 is equal to 192. Now r is given as 2. A into 2 power 7 is equal to 192. So what is 2 power 7? So A into 128 is equal to 192. So A is 192 by 128. You will get the value of 3 divided by 2. Now I need to find the 12th term. So 12th term is A12 is equal to AR to the power 11. Because n minus 1 means 12 minus 1, 11. So what is A we got? A we got as 3 by 2. So 3 by 2 into 2 to the power 11. We can cancel it. We get A12 in the form of 3 into 2 to the power 10. So that is, you will get this as 3072. So this is the value of the 12th term of the GP. Next question. The 5th, 8th and 11th terms of GP are P, Q, S respectively. Show that Q square is equal to PS. So what is given? 5th term is given. A5 is equal to P. A8 is equal to Q. A11 is equal to S. What is A5? It is A R power 4 is equal to P. What is A8? A R power 7 is equal to Q. What is A11? A R power 10 is equal to S. Now let's take Q square. So let me take Q square. So Q square means A R power 7 whole square. This is nothing but A square A power 14. So we have to take P into S. Let's take P into S. What is P? A R power 4 into A R power 10. Multiply this A square into R power 14. So this is R power 14. So here also it is R power 14. So take this as 1 and 2. So from 1 and 2, we get Q square is equal to PS. Hence, we have proved the given relation. Next one, the 4th term of GP is square of its 2nd term and the first term is minus 3. Determine its 7th term. So, what is given? 4th term A4 is square of its 2nd term, that is A2 square. And one more condition. First term is 3, minus 3. That is A is equal to minus 3. So, we need to find out A7. So, let's look at this. A4 means A R cube. A2 means A R square. So, we can cancel here A on both sides and R square on both sides. We get R is equal to 1. So, from this relation, we got R is equal to 1. We have A is equal to minus 3. What is A7 now? So, A7 can be written as A R power 6. So, A7 is equal to minus 3, 1 to the power 6, which is equal to minus 3. So, this is the 7th term of the given GP. So, now let's write A4. What is A4? It is A R cube. What is A2? It is A R whole square. So now we have the value of A as minus 3. So this becomes minus 3 R cube is equal to minus 3 square is 9 and this is R square. So let's R square and R get cancels here. So we get R is equal to 9 divided by minus 3, or we can write this as minus 3. So therefore R is equal to minus 3 now. Now we need to calculate A7. So A7 is equal to A R to the power 6, which is minus 3 power 6, because A is also minus 3, R is also minus 3. So this becomes minus 3 whole to the power 7. So when you multiply minus 3 7 times, you will get the value as minus 2187. So this is the answer. Next question. Which term of the sequence 2, 2 root 2, 4 is 128? So the last term is given AN as 128. The first term is given 2. R we can get by dividing these two. 2 by root 2 by 2, which is equal to root 2. Now let's see, an is equal to 128. So this is nothing but r to the power n minus 1 is equal to 128. A is given as 2. So r to the power n minus 1, 128 divided by 2. I can cancel this. So I'll get this as 64. So now r is given in the form of root 2. So root 2 to the power n minus 1 is equal to 64. Or I can write this as 2 to the power n minus 1 divided by 2. 64 can be written as 2 to the power 8. 64 can be written as 2 to the power 6. So since bases are equal, powers can be equated. So we can write this as n minus 1 by 2 is equal to 6, or n minus 1 is equal to 12, or n is equal to 13. So we have got the 13th term as 128. So the value of n is 13. Next question, for what values of x the numbers minus 2 by 7, x, minus 7 by 2 are in GP. Suppose we have three terms which are in GP. We say, for example, if A, B, C are in GP, then we have a condition B square is always equal to AC. So this is the condition for the three terms, that is three successive terms to be in GP. Now let us use that condition. So by definition we can write x square is equal to minus 2 by 7 into minus 7 by 2. So cancelling, we get it as 1. So this implies x is equal to plus or minus 1. Therefore what we can write, x is equal to 1 or x is equal to minus 1. So these are the two values which x can take. Next question, find the sum of n terms in GP, root 7, root 21, 3 root 7, etc. So we have a is equal to root 7, r is equal to root 21 by root 7, which can be written as root 3. So which is root 3. Next we need to find out Sn. So Sn, clearly r is greater than 1. Sn is equal to a to the power r to the power n minus 1 divided by r minus 1. So now this is equal to root 7, r to the power n is root 3 to the power n minus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. We cannot write the irrational in the denominator. So let's rationalize it. Root 3 plus 1 into root 3 plus 1. So root 3 minus 1, root 3 plus 1 becomes 3 minus 1, which is 2. So I can write this as root 7 divided by 2 into root 3 to the power n minus 1 into root 3 plus 1. So this is the nth term of the given GP. Next question, evaluate 2 plus 3k from 1 to 11. Let us expand this. Substitute the value of k. The first term is 2 plus 3 power 1 plus 2 plus 3 square. Summation is nothing but addition of these type of terms. So next 2 plus 3 cube until 2 plus 3 to the power 11 terms. So how many times we have 2? 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus etc. 11 times. So similarly we have 3 power 1, 3 square plus etc. until 3 to the power 11. So we have 2 11 times. So I can write this as 2 into 11. And here I can use the geometric progression. So I can write this as 3 into 3 to the power 11 minus 1 divided by 3 minus 1. Because the first term is 3, the second term is 9, means it is 3 3s are 9. So common ratio is 3. So this is 22 plus 3 by 2 into 3 to the power 11 minus 3 by 2. So on solving this, we get this as 41 divided by 2 plus 3 to the power 12 divided by 2. So this is the answer for the given summation. So we'll meet you in the next session with few more problems on geometric progression. Until then, keep watching, keep learning and keep exploring. Thank you.